Hi, let's see how AWS Budgets as a FinOps tool can save you a bunch of money. So first, AWS Budgets allows you to track your cost and usage with custom budgets. For example, in this one, I have spent over $100 for a $200 budget. So it's more than 50%. And because I'm in the early stage of that month, the forecast here says that I will exceed that budget amount by this percentage here. You can also create reservations instances and savings plans, utilization and coverage budgets. And if I go back to this $200 budget here, you can retrieve here this budget here, this line of $200, and you can see that for each month, I have exceeded my budget. So I can get alerted when I exceed my budget. So let's say that I want an alert if it exceeds by around 90% of my existing budget. So when it will reach $180, I will receive an email. And you can also create custom actions to prevent overages, such as inefficient resource use or lack of coverage. So, for example, if it's an EC2 instance, you can stop an EC2 instance or ARDS instance.